What is the classification algorithm? The classification algorithm is a supervised learning technique that is used to identify the category of new observations on the basis of training data. In classification, a program learns from the given dataset or observations and then classifies new observation into a number of classes or groups, such as yes or no, 0 or 1, spam or not spam, cat or dog, etc. Classes can be called as targets, labels, or categories. Unlike regression, the output variable of classification is a category, not a value, such as green or blue, fruit or animal, etc. Since the classification algorithm is a supervised learning technique, hence it takes labeled input data, which means it contains input with the corresponding output. The best example of an ML classification algorithm is email spam detector. The main goal of the classification algorithm is to identify the category of a given dataset, and these algorithms are mainly used to predict the output for the categorical data. Classification algorithms can be better understood using the below diagram. In the below diagram, there are two classes, Class A and Class B. These classes have features that are similar to each other and dissimilar to other classes. The algorithm which implements the classification on a dataset is known as a classifier. There are two types of classifications. Binary classifier: if the classification problem has only two possible outcomes, then it is called as binary classifier. Examples: yes or no, male or female, spam or not spam, cat or dog, etc. Multi-class classifier: if a classification problem has more than two outcomes, then it is called as multi-class classifier. Example: classifications of types of crops, classification of types of music.